Ever wonder how a crocodile sees the world? Or how about a snake or a frog? Well, today we're diving into the fascinating world of animal vision. Animals, much like us humans, rely on their senses to navigate their environment, find food, and avoid danger. But unlike us, some animals possess unique visual capabilities that are downright astounding. They see the world in ways we can barely even imagine. Vision, in particular, varies greatly among animals, with some having far superior or vastly different capabilities than humans. Consider this: our human eyes are pretty amazing, right? We can distinguish millions of colors, and our eyes can automatically adjust to light changes. But then, take a moment to think about the eyes of a crocodile, a creature that has roamed the earth for millions of years, or the eyes of a snake, an animal known for its deadly precision, or even the eyes of a frog, a creature that lives both on land and water. Each of these animals has evolved to see the world in a way that is best suited for their survival. Crocodiles, for instance, have eyes that sit high on their heads, allowing them to see above water while their bodies remain submerged. Snakes, on the other hand, have vertical slits for pupils, which let them see clearly both day and night. And frogs, well, they have a unique ability to see colors even in the dark, something we humans can only dream of. It's like each creature has its own set of superpowers, all thanks to their unique vision. And today we're going to delve deep into these eye-opening differences. But why should we care about animal vision? Well, understanding how different animals see the world can help us better appreciate the vast diversity of life on Earth. It can also shed light on how vision has evolved over time, and how it continues to adapt to different environments and challenges. Ready to see the world through different eyes? Stick around as we take a closer look at these incredible creatures. Imagine being a crocodile, lurking just below the water's surface. How would you see your surroundings? Welcome to the captivating world of crocodile vision. Crocodiles are famed for their stealth and agility, but did you know that their eyes play a crucial role in their hunting prowess? Crocodiles have a unique set of eyes that are adapted to their semi-aquatic lifestyle. Their eyes are positioned on the top of their heads, allowing them to keep most of their bodies submerged while scanning their surroundings both above and below water. This makes them the perfect ambush predators. But what's really fascinating is their night vision. Crocodiles, like many other animals, have a special layer of cells in their eyes known as the tapetum lucidum. This layer acts as a mirror, reflecting light back through the retina and providing a significant boost to their vision in low-light conditions. This is why crocodiles can hunt efficiently even in the dark of night. In addition to their impressive night vision, crocodiles also have a third eyelid, known as a nictitating membrane. This eyelid is transparent and slides across the eye, serving as a built-in pair of goggles that protect the crocodile's eyes underwater, while still allowing them to see clearly. So, if you've ever wondered how crocodiles manage to spot their prey in murky waters, now you know. Their eyes are not just designed for seeing above and below water, but also for seeing in the dark, and even for protecting themselves while underwater. Crocodiles are true marvels of evolution, with eyes that are perfectly suited to their environment and lifestyle. They are a testament to the incredible adaptability of nature, showing us that even in the harshest of conditions, life finds a way to not just survive, but to thrive. So, with their unique eyes, crocodiles are well equipped for a life of hunting in murky waters. It's a vision that's as fascinating as it is formidable, a testament to the remarkable adaptability of these ancient predators. Now, let's slither into the world of snakes. How do these legless reptiles view the world? Imagine being able to see the world not just in color, but in heat signatures. This is the reality for several species of snakes, notably the pit vipers, pythons, and boas. These serpents possess a unique adaptation, a special set of heat-sensing organs known as pit organs. These organs, located between the eyes and nostrils, allow these snakes to detect minute variations in temperature, essentially giving them the ability to see heat. This infrared vision acts as a kind of thermal radar, an invaluable tool for these predators in tracking down their warm-blooded prey. Whether it's a mouse scurrying in the undergrowth or a bird nesting high in the trees, the heat they emit appears to these snakes as bright spots against a cooler background. This is particularly useful in the darkness of night when their prey cannot rely on light to expose their hunters. But not all snakes rely on this thermal vision. Many species have different visual abilities, with some even having relatively poor vision. For these snakes, their world is less about what they can see and more about what they can smell and feel. They use their forked tongues to taste the air, picking up scent particles that tell them about their environment and potential prey. They're also highly sensitive to vibrations. The slightest tremor passing through the ground can alert a snake to the presence of prey or danger. This is why you might see a snake laying still, seemingly doing nothing. In reality, they're deeply tuned into the world around them, waiting for the telltale signs of their next meal or an incoming threat. So, while we humans rely heavily on our eyes to navigate and understand our world, snakes have evolved a different and in some ways more complex set of sensory tools. They remind us that vision is not just about light and color, but can also be about heat, smell, and vibration. Incredibly, snakes have evolved to see heat, giving them a unique and deadly edge in the animal kingdom. Finally, let's hop over to frogs. How does the world look to these amphibians? Now, frogs have quite an interesting take on the world, thanks to their unique visual capabilities. They're not just your regular garden variety of observers. No, frogs have a rather sophisticated way of seeing things, and it all comes down to how their eyes are structured and positioned. Imagine having the ability to see almost everything around you, nearly 360 degrees without even turning your head. Sounds like a superhero power, doesn't it? Well, that's a day in the life of a frog. Due to the position of their eyes on the top and sides of their heads, frogs have an almost panoramic view of their environment. This gives them a significant advantage when it comes to spotting potential predators or a tasty fly buzzing by, but that's not all. These nocturnal creatures have a secret weapon that gives them an edge after the sun goes down. Frogs have an incredible night vision that allows them to see colors even in extreme darkness. This is unlike most animals whose world turns into a monochrome landscape when night falls. So, how do they do it? The answer lies in their retinas. Frogs have a high concentration of rod cells, which are sensitive to light and dark changes, shape and movement. They also have a special layer behind their retinas called the tapetum lucidum, which reflects light back through the retina, increasing the light available to the photoreceptors. This not only provides excellent night vision, but also contributes to their ability to see a wide range of colors in the dark. So whether it's day or night, frogs have a visual system that is fine-tuned for their survival. It's a fascinating example of how nature has adapted and evolved to ensure every creature has the tools it needs for its specific lifestyle and environment. From their lily pad perches, frogs can see nearly all around them, making them expert bug catchers. From their unique perspective, they can watch, wait, and when the moment is just right, strike with lightning speed. Now, isn't that a sight to see? We've seen the world through the eyes of a crocodile, a snake, and a frog. But what does it all mean? Let's recap. Crocodiles, with their vertically slit pupils, are designed for ambush. Their eyes, perched high on their heads, allow them to remain mostly submerged while still keeping an eye on their surroundings. Their vision, particularly adept at detecting movement, is a testament to their predatory lifestyle. On the other hand, snakes possess an extraordinary infrared vision that sets them apart. Their heat-sensing pits, a unique adaptation, enables them to detect the slightest temperature changes. This thermal imaging, coupled with their binocular vision, allows them to strike with precision, even in the darkest of nights. Their vision is a window into their nocturnal hunting nature. Frogs, though, have a different visual story. Their large, bulging eyes give them an almost panoramic view of their surroundings. This broad field of vision, coupled with their ability to see a spectrum of colors even in low light, is crucial for their survival. Their eyes are their first line of defense, alerting them to predators and prey alike. These differences in vision are not just random quirks of nature. They reveal so much about each animal's lifestyle and survival strategies. The crocodile's eyes are designed for stealth and ambush, the snake's for precision strikes in the dark, and the frog's for constant vigilance in a world full of threats. These visual adaptations are a testament to the beauty of evolution, to nature's ingenious ways of ensuring survival. They remind us of the diversity of life on this planet, of the myriad ways in which creatures experience the world around them. So next time you gaze into an animal's eyes, remember, they may be seeing the world in a way you could never imagine. Each creature's vision is a unique adaptation, a survival strategy honed over millions of years, and that in itself is a marvel to behold.